Do you need the new RSIC-SIX Low Profile Spring Ceiling Sound Isolation Clips? PAC International offers you the sound of silence. The RSIC-SIX new Low Profile Spring Isolation System is designed for use with any wood-framed, steel-framed, or concrete ceiling system where vibration and noise control is needed. The RSIC-SIX assembly decouples and isolates the ceiling from the structure with a low-profile spring, increasing the acoustical performance of the system. The RSIC-SIX is a 1/2-inch deflection spring offering high-level acoustical performance, reducing the thumps and thuds you hear from your neighbors above. The RSIC-SIX clip is designed to support 2 layers of 5/8-inch gypsum board in a ceiling. Our sound isolation clips are made, tested, engineered, and calibrated in the USA. They are world-class noise control solutions with over 110 million square feet installed and counting. Buy your sound isolation clips today. Call 866-774-2100 or visit pac-intl.com/RSIC-SIX.